Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. Sir, every year we assemble at the Red Fort to celebrate the Independence Day. We have a long history behind us, but now India is 72 years old. During this period, we have faced many problems like drought, floods, famine, and food shortages. At the same time, we have seen large developmental projects taking shape before our eyes. Passing through hopes and disappointments over the years, we have continued to march forward. Our people have faced many difficulties with courage. I congratulate them for the courage displayed by them in facing all the problems. We have got our strength due to the sacrifices and the hard work of our leaders. Para. On this day, we take stock of the past and look at the future with hope. Undoubtedly, we are a great nation, but let us not forget that we have long way to walk for progress to stand with other nations of the world. I have no doubt that if we follow the path shown by our great leaders and hold fast to the principles laid down by them, we shall be able to achieve our goals without delay. It is a matter of regret that in this land of great men we see violence on petty matters of religion, language, and regionalism. In a country like India, which is so wide and big, with a population of 135 million, differences among people is but natural, but a vast majority of people are peace loving. It is only a handful of people who are creating mischief and trouble to hamper our growth and progress. By riots and violence, nation suffers and it weakens our strength. Our enemies are also trying to create differences and doubts in our people, which will affect our determination and confidence to make our nation a great nation. Para. Let us resolve on this day that we shall give no opportunity to such mean tendencies to grow. I have every hope that we will succeed to foster further a climate of peace and harmony amongst people and will have national integration in the country. Peace within the country boosts better international relations and cooperation. During the last few years, our country has emerged as a strong nation in the world. All the credit goes to the current government, which has inculcated political stability and the all round development of the country. For example, agriculture has become scientific. Stop and over.